Teachers of the world, TEFL Tidbit. Funny sounds, very engaging, very funny. We need to use everything that we can to keep our students engaged, all right? And I've found making funny noises are a really good way to keep that connection, particularly when you're writing on the whiteboard, yeah? And your back is to the class. You need to maintain that connection, yeah? As you're wiggling your hips, keeping them focused, maybe a few sounds, yeah? Give it a try. Funny sounds. Comment below, what sounds do you make? Check out my website. There's some brilliant teaching materials. I also do personal coaching. Teachers, I'll see you in the next video. TEFL Tidbits!